Okay, hey guys, today I'm gonna do a morning routine, and so this is like a really good time doing a really good routine. So guys, first I do is I just put my hair in a bun or just add some chalk in it because I just feel very fancy today. So let's do orange icicle. Okay, then I put it in a bun. So I'm just gonna put it in a messy bun. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then do my makeup for the day. This one I want to be like under trying. And I'm really trying this time to make it look really good because I don't want anyone to judge myself. Okay guys, so I'm gonna look like that in the morning. So my wait. Okay guys, so right now my room is sleeping right over there, and I need to lock it because she kind of sneaks into my privacy. I would never want her to do that. So let's go hurry because she's gonna find out I'm like literally getting some food because she's like I don't want to wake her up. So we're just gonna get seasonal cheese grill and it's kind of really early in the morning, so it's kind of like time. And yeah, and then I'll wake her up later because I don't want to like disturb her nap time. And we're just gonna do the hand because we're not gonna be fancy at the school. Yeah. And this is like a dream come true breakfast. Okay, there. And now we're just going to hurry up and go change for our spa. Okay, hoping my roommate is still sleeping, so after when I change, I'll just call, no, not call her, wake her up because it's almost school time. So, no, actually, it's the day off today, but I'm just gonna tell her. So, I'm just gonna braid my hair. Actually, I would love to, yeah, like that. And then my outfit needs to be like fall, you know? I'll just pick an outfit one of these. Yeah. And I'll be calling you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, guys. So, I just changed into this fabulous outfit. It was not in Royal High's avatar, but I found it in my avatar, so I just thought I just needed to add it in the video. So, okay. So, I just need to tell you that this only costs 10 Robux, so you should um you should really find it. And yeah. So I just got this outfit, and yeah, I'm just going to get a frappuccino because I'll just let my roomie sleep a few minutes because I don't want like her name is Annie. Wait, let me just first get my last name. This is not my real life last name, so please don't comment any last name for me. So yeah. Okay, so let's get some frappuccino, like fall frappuccino, pumpkin spice. Yeah. It's so expensive. Literally, it's 15, and I only have like 80, 83. Okay. Well, it's kind of worth it. Anyways. Okay. I have literally 2 frappuccinos. What? Okay. Just wait a minute. I just need yeah. I need to add some stuff to my avatar, so wait. Okay guys, so did you like my teleport to like over there to over here? Yeah, so good. Knocks the door. No. Hurry up and open the door, Annie. Fine, what is it? What happened to your hair? Well, I was sleeping. Okay, that looks really perfect for sleeping. Well, whatever. Do you wanna go to the spa? Sure, but can I tell you something? What? Well, we're gonna go on vacation. Wait, what do you mean vacation? Yeah, the principal let us. What? Yeah, we're going on vacation. Oh my gosh. Wait, are you joking? Yep. Because you're the only one joking right now. Like, no, what do you mean? I'm not joking. We're actually going to see. So stupid. Oh my gosh. I got you pumpkin spice frappuccino. Thank you. Gives it to her. Thank you. That was so good. Okay. Oh, what did you say? Well, oh my gosh, what happened? Oops.